Hi everyone, welcome to one more video. Elvis here, and today I will share to you how you can make more customers discover your business when they search for business like yours in Google. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe, leave your like, and if you like, share this video for other business owners that you know. And let's go to the video. So the first thing that you need if you want to make your business discoverable at Google is to have a optimized Google My Business profile. So if you have a business, probably you have a Google My Business profile. If not, you need to create. And when you create your Google My Business profile, you need to make sure that you add all the details and specifications that the Google suggests for you, like your location, your opening hours, your website, your products, service, the prices, and something else that the business will have you to make sure that you have 100% profile complete. And when you finish this, you need to make sure that you connect with your website, and you can use your Google My Business in your area. Like you can put there where the areas that you give your service or you sell your products if you have a store. So if you have a local business like a salon or something like that, have a physical store or physical spot that you provide your service, you need to make sure that you put the location of this spot. And the second thing that you need to have, it's a optimized SEO for your website. Let's make here everything clear that if you have a business, you probably have a website, because there you can make your appointments and everything. So if you don't have a website, you can contact me to get effective marketing for your business. So your website needs to be optimized with the SEO. You can search on YouTube about videos like for what SEO works and how you can optimize this for your business. If you make your website alone, or you have someone who deals with that, and you can put in the headlines like your location. You can make clear CTAs. You can put your site title like with the name of the zone, the country, or the area that you provide your service or sell your goods. Like for example, if you have a nail salon, you can put that nail salon or beauty studio in Miami, New York, to make more clear to the algorithm to search when people Google like for business like yours. Like if they search for beauty studio near me or something like that. So that's something that you need to implement to your business if you want to have more clear and high amount of visitors in your site, and then you can have more closes to your business. The third thing that you need is that you have to buy words that people use to search for business like yours. This comes here for the advertising, but this is the part one of the advertising service that I suggest you to have. So this first part, you need to make search ads in your area or your country. I don't know what's your business model. So you can buy, and you should buy, all the words that people use to search for your business. We can use the beauty studio example again. Yeah, like you buy all the words like nails, lashes, massage, everything else, and your location, like beauty studio in Miami, all this phrase, you can buy this phrase, and for make sure that when people search that when they are in this area, when people search for products or service like yours, they find your business in the top three, because the top three, the people who gets 70% of the clicks when people search. So you need to make sure that you be at the one, or you can be the number one or the number two of your area, to make sure that you have more clicks and you can get more conversions in your site. And the number four tip that I have here for you is that you need to advertise. Yes, I told in the past tip for you to buy words. So advertising, it's buying words, but in this part I will tell you that you need to run some cold ads and warm ads. What are these? The cold ads, it's for people that you want to make sure that they discover your business. Maybe you can do this with your TikTok, your Meta, Instagram, Facebook, your Pinterest, uh, and other ads platforms like Snapchat and other things. You can put this and make sure that your business drive more traffic to your website, and then you can use the same people that viewed your website to retarget them to make sure that they convert in your business, because if they click it or they went to your website, it's more likely that we have more probability to make them close, because we know that they want to see more business like yours. They want your products, your goods, they have some interest. So I don't recommend you to waste too much money only for cold. You need to make a budget portion for warm also, so you can retarget your audience, the people who visit your site that didn't convert, and you can close more sales with this. So this is a quick video here. I hope you enjoy, you like. uh, Thank you for watching. See you in the next time. Let's go. Make sure that you follow all the tips and comment here below the other tips that you know that every business needs to increase or implement into their business to make sure that they get more sales. And comment here the results if you make all the things that I told you here. So for you to not lose this video, make sure you save and subscribe to my channel, and you will see me all the time here. Thank you. See you.